Hey, my beautiful people again. Um, Please join me to make these personalized 3D bags for a customer. Since I made a bigger size of these bags, I had to cut. I had to cut it by hands, each one. So bear with me. This is how I made those bags right there. Everything is gonna be personalized, and I hope you like it. Right? It's also gonna be 3D. Also gonna be 3D, and okay. I'm sorry I'm rushing because I don't have too much time to make this video, but I hope it will be helpful for you. And we have the princess here, the 3D. Okay. Yeah. Now we're gonna make the handles. I already cut it to save some time, and this is how I make it. Okay. Okay, and let me see everything so it could hold. Now we have the two handles already. Now we're gonna glue the bag. Now we're gonna glue the bottom of the bag. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of glue here, right? And yeah, it's almost done. Okay, it is simple to make, and I hope you like it. And it's done. I mean, it's not done. I have to let me put the tag on. Okay, let's make the tag, and we are almost done. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, you could send me a message. And this is almost done. Almost done. Okay, here we have the personalized bag. I'm sorry, I'm kind of nervous, but okay. I just need a little sprinkle of gold like this one, and it's almost done. This is what I'm missing. And to finish with this project, I mean, just one of them, I have to make 56 of these, okay? It's not easy, but hey, I'm being blessed. That's all I could say. Okay, and it's done. I hope you like it. See? Handles, oops, and everything. And if you wish to contact me, here is my YouTube page, which is Made with Craft _Mig PM. I'm also my email is here. And if you would like to contact me directly, you could scan this QR code right here. And thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my page. I really appreciate it. Thank you.